This is how you turn off low power mode. Why would you want to in the first place? Some apps require low power mode to not be turned on. The only one I can think of that I personally use is the tracking app for a ski hill we go to with the family, but it must also be true for others if this app has it. When your phone gets down below 20%, low power mode is automatically turned on, and then we can't use this tracking app anymore because we get this error. Low power mode is set to on. Please disable low power mode. You can tap on settings, and it takes you to the right place. But if that link doesn't exist, or if you feel like low power mode might be interfering with your app, this is how you get to it manually. So let's go out of there and let's go to settings and then go back to the main settings area, this one here, and scroll down to battery. Tap on that. And at the very bottom, we see low power mode. Once this loads, it'll be shoved down. So let's scroll down and low power mode is on. Tap that to turn it off. And this even works when your battery is less than 20%. I'm sure you see notifications when the battery starts getting low. Do you want to turn on low power mode? And then I think at 10%, it's like extreme low power mode. And if you say yes, this will be turned on, but you don't have to turn it on. You can keep it turned off, or you can manually turn it off just like this. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bins on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.